So, I tried that once
okay.
pa.
Ano, Charlie?
Then, and I would like to, actually,
Were you discriminated against?
not by the reception. Kasi yung some of the horror stories na lumabas was, at the reception pa lang,
Oo, dun pa lang meron ng
mafi-filter ka na. May sala na. Correct.
Parang, you're in.
Yeah, may profiling. Titignan ka mula ulo
tapos
hanggang
sabi niya,
paa.
Shante, you stay sashay away.
Plakak. Ano ba yung ano niya doon? Oh my God, that
Babu.
So, well, maybe because of that time, pinapasok naman ako. Mukhang walang profiling na nangyari. Or, maybe kasi wala pang tao, sige, pasok ka lang.
Or was that after na nagkaroon ng buzz online?
It was after na.
Okay.
It was pretty recent kasi they have a recent branch na pinuntahan ko.
So baka naman siguro they decided, okay, will not profile sa
Okay,
reception, pero sa loob, bahala na sila.
Pwede, even though there are two things eh. Supposedly, ayan, ito ngayon, you mentioned bathhouse with rooms. Itong particular one that I went to, meron silang tinatawag na capsule room.
Parang yung sa Japan?
Parang sa
yung
Japan.
Na maliit?
Oo, as in, they really styled it like
parang,
Japan.
Parang nicho na.
Parang, it's actually nicho. Oo. And that becomes your chance to be horizontal, as you put it.
Tapos merong manunood sa iyo, tapos may kandila.
Nadala ka ng bulaklak.
Hindi magaling na sa... Anyway.
But seriously, and you are given parang you're supposedly given a passcode to enter that area.
So may pintu-pintuan pa pala.
May pintuan pa. So,
but once you're inside, the capsules are all open?
no. There's just one area where the capsules are, and you need a passcode to get into that area.
Oh, that area. Pero once you're inside that area, all capsules, bahala ka na.
Yeah, bahala ka na. I mean, may curtain.
May curtain, yeah. But pwede kang parang, hey, pa-join. Pwede ka na.
Pwede naman, even though that's frowned upon.
Okay.
Kasi supposedly, you bring in your friend, and then, yun nga, that's why they have curtains. Kasi kung hahayaan ka nila, usually, parang signal is leave it open kung gusto mo.
Kung gusto mo lang open-ended.
Open-ended. So, ang nangyari, that is parang the second layer of discrimination or profiling, whether you're going to be given the access code or not, or something.
Well, I thought you would pay for it.
No. So even if, kumbaga, what you paid for is nakahiwalay yung wet floors, with massage, so those are two different fees. Pero if you're profiled correctly, they'll tell you that you can actually have access to, meron po kaming capsule room, yan, may access ka, parang ganun. And not
Sa
everybody,
reception
sa
yun.
reception pa lang.
Meron ng ano.
So not everybody has access to that. Anyway, so my own experience lang, hindi naman ako na-profiled that way, at least by the receptionist. And yun, minanggit nga sa akin yung capsule room. So ano kaya yung capsule room? Pero again, the timing that I went, maaga-aga pa siya, siguro hindi pa crowded.
And when they said there's a capsule area that you can use, wala nang extra payment. Wala nang extra fee. Okay.
Yeah. Tapos, syempre, pa-innocent, para saan yung capsule room?
Charing.
Pangpahinga lang po. Para kung gusto nyo magpahinga, matulog. Pero 1 hour lang maximum usage. So, paano kaya nila i-monitor?
As if naman na monitor nila.
Yun nga, so again.
May CCTV sa loob ng ano.
Correct. Or may heat signature. Heat signature! Anyway.
Merong egg timer.
Correct. So, ang masasabi ko lang, in terms of crowd, now, let's talk about crowd. Definitely, of course, I've been also to 27 show, and I love 27 show, T by 27 show. Lately, nasubukan ko na yung B by 27 show. Wow. Tatlo na sila.
Meron top at meron bottom.
Exactly.
Show, okay.
Pero syempre, Timog at saka Burgos lang ibig sabihin ng T at B, ha?
Okay, walang V.
Actually, maghahanap tayo. Siguro sa nila na lang yan, sa Valenzuela, Bulacan. Anyway.
Sa Valero.
Ay, taray! Gusto ko yun. Pwede yun. Anyway, so, the clientele in those times, at least the few times that I've been able to go there for 27 show, parang mas diverse.
Yes. Kasi I think the owners are also on the diverse side.
Yeah, well, actually, friend ko din naman sila. And meaning, all shapes and sizes. May mga you have your really Borta, good-looking types. Of course, you have your twinks, etc. So, it's an entire range. Bahala na lang kayong to sort it out. Yeah. Doon sa napuntahan kong itong exclusive,
No, na may profiling.
may profiling, ang doon napansin ko na, wow, very young, siguro about, even na maaga ako
5 years old. 6 years old. Matulog ka na!
Young, siguro mga 60% of the crowd.
Are we talking early 20s?
I guess early 20s to early 30s na siguro yung max.
Okay.
Ang dating sa akin. Pero buff. A lot of them were buff. Or at least, may...
Alam mong gym goer.
Oh, gym goers. So, parang feeling ko lang, hindi nga nagkaroon ng selection mechanism sa reception. Self-selection. I don't belong here.
Survival of the fittest.
Correct. And I will edit myself out na lang dito. I am not young, I am not fit, but yung ganon.
Pero what if may isa doon or more than one na talagang ang hanap ay Jade?
Zaddy. I wouldn't know. I mean, I didn't stay long enough to try. Pero I have to admit, as I'm senior, etc., may discomfort na sa akin to stay longer and try my luck. Para bang,
At wala ka talaga nakitang like medyo may jubis ng konti?
at that time...
Or chabuff at least? You know what chabuff is?
Oo nga. Yeah, i-define mo.
Chubby na buff.
Yes. May nakita ba ako? Parang
Wala.
Parang wala.
Okay.
Or maybe may isa. Malakas ang loob niya.
Ano kasi na loob mo?
Yun nga eh. Yun ang siguro sinasabi niya, lakas ang loob nito. Itong lolong to.
Uy, sa dark, hindi naman halata na maputi ang iyong buhok ah. Or may puti ang iyong buhok.
Na may puta. Well, I don't know. Hindi rin kasi ganun kadilim in all areas. So usually, di ba, as you go from one area to the other, that's when they're able to size you up.
I see.
in all aspects of sizing. Yon, so nagkaroon ng natural self-selection. Darwinian evolution. Anyway, so in terms of crowd, I think ngayon, yung nga parang nag-evolve na mas nagkakaroon ng different niches. Niches.
Nicho.
Nicho. Parang yung capsule.
Oo. So, but, parang kasi dati noon, ganun na rin.
Kasi na ba nun?
No, sorry. Pero yung, when there was, meron pang club bath at meron pang Fahrenheit, actually there's also mansion. So, I'm talking about bathhouses, di ba? But yung mansion kasi medyo, parang top 2 lang kasi yung pinag-uusapan eh. Then yung mansion is not just parang pinag-uusapan.
I didn't even know. Oh, correct.
That there was a mansion. Okay, see. So, pag club bath at saka Fahrenheit, meron siyang certain selection in a sense na the club bath skews older, skews more mature. And then the Fahrenheit was the younger, yuppie at that time.
Okay.
Ano niya yuppie? Yun. So, yuppie at that time. But then I realized it was because of the pricing. Mas mahal yung club bath, mas mura yung Fahrenheit. So, if you were a yuppie, first job, and then you wanted to go try a bathhouse, mas mura yung yung Fahrenheit. Yung naman, yung mga mas mayayaman, at mga married men with wives and kids would go to a club.
Okay. Well, now that you mentioned pricing, kasi I would like to think na, 27 Sean and the others, may pagka hindi nagkakalayo ang presyo. So,
what about that high-end discriminatory?
hindi sila magkakalayo ng presyo.
So pare-pareho lang?
Pare-pareho lang.
So, ang mangyayari ngayon dyan, ang selection yan is yung through tribes. Parang if the Bears stay here, then the
Parang
twigs,
ganun
they're-
nangyayari.
hindi na presyo ang labanan.
Hindi
It's-
presyo ang labanan.
It's yung
Yes.
natural selection.
Natural selection. Darwinian nga. Di ba? So, ngayon, my question is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I think it's okay. I think it's okay if the selection comes from the client and not from the owner. Because if the owner naman, if I were an owner, I would want all.
Correct. Kasi, yeah.
Oo, di ba? Or kung gusto ko, puro mayaman. Pero kung puro mayaman naman, hindi naman kailangan na, yung mga mayaman, hindi naman lahat puro borta. Di ba? Meron din dyan mga matataba. Kasi nga, kain sila ng kain. Di ba? So, di ba? So
inappropriate. Politically incorrect.
I'm too old to be politically correct. Anyway, but if it's from the clients, then ano na lang yan, yung kasi
Pakiramdaman.
hindi mo na yun, hindi na kasalanan ng ano yun ng owner. So, but at the same time, I do wish sana that from the clients themselves, if let's say 27 Shaw is for discussion. Let's say it's
Mas
for
bears.
bears and daddies. And then let's say Alpha is for twinks and the young crowd. Sana man lang na the crowd inside, pag may pumasok na hindi kasama, wag sila yung parang, ano ginagawa mo dito? Yung don't ease them out. Why? What if meron pumunta dito na twink kasi chaser siya ng mga bears and daddies? 'Di ba? So, waging-wagi siya doon kasi ang dami niyang content. And at the same time, yung mga twinks naman, kung meron palang daddy na who prefers twinks, pagdating doon, wag naman nila sabihin na parang tangina tong gurang na to, anong ginagawa nito dito?
Yeah.
Hayaan mo na, yung just let them, if no one gets them, fine.
Yeah.
But don't make them feel like parang yung tumabi lang sa iyo, ganun na.
They're playing devil's advocate kasi sa Bangkok, knowing that they're more advanced. Ganun talaga eh. Talagang there are establishments na sinasabing
For bears only.
for bears or for daddies or for talagang buffs.
Even in Japan, ganun sila ka.
di ba? Yeah, actually.
Meron ng parang sinasabi nila bears lang dito.
Correct.
Yun.
Bakit doon? I mean,
Well, kasi hindi pa advanced yung ang ating industriya.
so hindi ba parang papunta na doon the fact that nagkakaroon na nga ng owners saying na our place is only for Borta, for young hunks, ha? Of course they're not advertising it yet, pero yun ang gusto nila.
Mainam siguro 'yun. Kaya lang syempre siguro you will need market research, diba? Kasi for example, if the bear population pala is only kunwari daw 5%, but the bigger market is twinks and hunks. Kung magtatayo ka ng for bears only, liitan mo na rin yung
Correct.
'Di ba? Yung kumbaga, wag kang 5 stories na building, pero yung
Kaya ang liit-liit ang merkado mo.
ng market mo is ang liit lang. So I get it sa Japan siguro kasi may yung
Bangkok.
because I guess siguro mas open din sila about talking about these things, 'di ba? Na I'm a bear, I'm a twink, 'di ba? I'm a daddy. So sa tayo medyo meron pang kimi-kimi Dora factor eh. I mean kimi. 'Yun. So since hindi pa tayo ganun ka-develop, I guess tantsahan lang muna ang ginagawa ng mga owners kasi hindi nila, how could they do research?
Correct, yeah. How can they do, ang tawag dyan, market sizing?
Or market sizing, yun. But at saka ang maganda pa sa Bangkok and sa Japan.
Sa Japan.
Foreigners rin when foreigners come in, yung maalalaman lang kaagad na parang pang bear lang pala to. So di ba?
It's good for tourists.
Yeah, it's
kumbaga.
good for tourists. Hindi naman, wala pang tourism factor yung ating
correct.
spa industry, di ba? They're not targeting tourists. They're just targeting locals.
Okay, so
I guess the market nga is not yet
ready for that.
mature or something. Yeah, not yet ready for that.
Okay. So, eventually, I guess we're gonna go there. I mean, I asked this only because parang conflicted din ako. Kasi, syempre, part of me is feeling, oh my God, I'm excluded already. I'm not part of it anymore because of my age.
Unless you put up a senior spa.
Watch
diba?
for it. Then, yun nga. That's why parang bang, may wish list na sana, merong parang sa Bangkok na, sige, pang daddy, pang ano.
But I think that industry will mature only if, the religion, the Catholic religion doesn't clamp down. Because the moment you advertise, this is a gay spa for bears, ayun, pag in-announce mo na, di ba meron ng mga...
May protesta na, correct. God loves you, please convert, di ba?
Yun, di ba? So, yun yung kalaban ng ating industriya. Bangkok will...
Being what they are. Even Japan,
Japan, yung sa Pride March sa Japan, meron pa rin doon mga poprotest, pero like ang konti-konti lang. And then, wala silang masay sa mga business, di ba?
Correct.
So, ayun. I think yun yung ating kalaban. The Catholic Church.
I feel offended.
Nabalik tayo.
Nabalik tayo. Okay. So, well, to wrap it up, di ba? Ganyan naman kami. Your thoughts in terms of the way at least the spas now are operating?
Ako, I love the fact that there is evolution in the industry. How far the evolution will go will depend on a lot of socio-economic factors. Sometimes I think the economic factor might actually bulldoze.
It will override everything.
Yeah, the social stigma.
Correct,
di ba? Kasi kumikita ako, di ba? Tapos may kita ng ibang business, tapos susunod naman.
Correct.
After a while, kahit magprotesta ka, sandaan na spas all around, di paano ka magpo-protesta lahat, di ba? So yun, it could be that, di ba? So we'll see, but I like the fact that there are spaces that are safe because
Correct.
I've never heard of them being raided.
Yeah. Correct. Kasi nga, very explicitly they say that our therapists do not give extra service.
Yeah, so
may mga karakatulo sila doon.
Yeah, so in other words, the business is still safe even though mayroon ng mga pangyayari.
Correct. And they also, in a sense, parang they made sure na walang straights na maliligaw by saying nga na wala po kaming female therapist.
Ayun, ganun.
Diba?
So
parang hint.
So yung mga straight, hindi na pwedeng sabihin na, ay, bakit ako
nakapusa ko, nakakita ko na may
di ba? Sinabi na nga walang babaeng therapist tapos dumiretso ka pa. Tanga ka.
80-80. Alam na natin kung sino binoto mo. Joke!
So anyway, but ang na lang siguro, while I do paint a very positive, please watch out for MPOX.
Correct. Ayan, actually, ingat-ingat na lang tayo pagdating dyan.
And also pala mga STDs yun.
Yeah,
kasi,
other STDs.
Kasi you might have PrEP for HIV, but PrEP will not protect you from other STDs.
And there's some certain behaviors also that are expected, meaning don't bring your cameras and video people without their consent.
Don't bring your pets.
Your pets Yun, kasi I also hear of horror stories na may mga daring members who...
Talaga? Sa mismong spa? I get it, yung mga daring na nagpapa-video sa AS.
Ito without the consent. Binubuksan nila yung mga shower curtains. Yan. Kaya sana naman, respetuhin din naman natin yung mga ibang tao doon. Walang ganun. Walang bastusan.
Oo. And then siguro ang panawagan ko na lang sa mga spa owners is, ipa-bless ninyo. Para wala yung mga pulang mata na nandoon sa dulo ng
Oh my God. First time ko narinig yun at kinabahan ako.
Diba? Zombie.
So, yun po, nagbabago na ang mga spa from what it was before, from spa-call and massage parlors all the way to
So, this is one of the safer spaces for gays.
And thank you for that.
And with that,
I'm Bo.
I'm Joel, and this has been
Yours truly, the podcast. Thank you.